up guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to type square symbol using your keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Word. So what you want to do, let me go ahead and give you an example. So if I type in, for example, x squared, so I'm going to type in x and 2, and you want to make the 2 as a square, it's very easy. Just simply highlight the number 2 there and press Ctrl Shift and plus, and the plus that you want to use is the plus at the top of your keyboard, right below those function keys on the upper right, where you have the plus, the equal sign, and you want to go ahead and press that button there. So you want to go ahead and press Ctrl Shift on your keyboard and that plus sign, and you will see that it actually turns this into that square. Now let me go ahead and show you from the on-screen keyboard. So let me go ahead and open up the run command here and type OSK, and so that you can see it. So this is the actual plus that you want. So Control Shift and this plus key here, and you want to go ahead and press, and that's going to allow you to type the square symbol on your keyboard. So that's it guys, the Control, the Shift, and this plus to enable that, and that's it. Very easy and very simple guys.